utilizing the power of storytelling in your marketing? Discover how weaving a compelling narrative can enhance your brand's image and connect with customers emotionally. Greetings, trendsetters! Welcome back to my channel, Vandana Fashion Expert, the fashion sanctuary where we don't just follow trends, we set them. Today we are embarking on a journey that's crucial for every fashion entrepreneur out there: marketing strategies. If you are ready to elevate your fashion game, hit the subscribe button because we are about to unlock the secrets to fashion success. I am Vandana Evanna, and together we are diving into a world of social media, influencer collaborations, email marketing, and more. Are you excited? Let's get started. In the dynamic world of fashion, creating stunning designs is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you master the art of showcasing those creations to the world. Today we are exploring marketing strategies that can transform your fashion business into a sensation. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number one is the power of social media advertising. Our first stop is the powerhouse of marketing: social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. These platforms are not just for scrolling through endless photos, they are your virtual runways. Visual storytelling is the name of the game, and social media advertising is your golden ticket to the front row. Visual content plays a crucial role across social media platforms. Posts with images or videos tend to garner more engagement than text-only posts. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest heavily rely on visual appeal, making it essential for fashion businesses and individuals to create eye-catching content to capture audience attention. Influencer takeovers involve handing over control of social media accounts to an influencer for a specific period. This strategy helps boost authenticity and reach new audiences. An example is when a fashion brand lets a popular influencer share behind the scenes content, providing followers with a fresh and genuine perspective. Targeted advertising on social media platforms allows businesses to reach specific demographics. For instance, a local restaurant might use geo-targeting to reach users in its vicinity. Targeting ensures that content is seen by those most likely to engage with it, maximizing the impact of social media campaigns. Next is influencer collaborations. Everyone fashion influencers seem to have a Midas touch when it comes to style. It's all about the magic of influencer collaborations. Partnering with influencers is like having a personal fashion envoy. It's not just about the numbers, it's about finding influencers whose style aligns with your brand's vibe. Look for influencers whose content aligns with your brand values, industry, and target audience. The more relevant the audience is to your niche, the more likely their audience will be interested in your products or services. Analyze the influencer's previous collaborations and content to ensure they consistently produce material that resonates with your brand's messaging. This alignment will make the partnership feel authentic to the influencer's followers. And now let's talk about the art of email marketing. Let's delve into a classic yet remarkably effective tool: email marketing. In an era of flashy visuals, the power of a well-crafted email should not be underestimated. It's a direct line to your audience, a way to share exclusive offers, updates, and behind-the-scenes glimpses. Building an engaged email list is crucial for the success of an online business or marketing strategies. An engaged email list consists of individuals who have willingly opted in to receive communications from you, and they are more likely to open, read, and act upon your emails. An engaged email list is more likely to convert into customers or take desired actions. Since these subscribers have already shown interest in your content, products, or services by opting in. They are more receptive to your messages. As a result, your conversion rates are likely to be higher compared to sending emails to a generic or purchase list. Lastly is visual merchandising and in-store promotions. For those of you with a physical presence, your storefront is a canvas waiting to tell a story. Visual merchandising and in-store promotions are your secret weapons. Let's explore how a captivating in-store experience can turn window shoppers into loyal customers. First is lighting design. Pay attention to lighting design to enhance the visual appeal of your merchandise. Adequate lighting can highlight key products, create focal points, and set the overall ambience of the store. Second is strategic product placement. Place key products at eye level to attract attention. Use strategic product placement to guide the customer's journey through the store and highlight featured items or collections. And the third one is seasonal promotions. Align your promotions with the seasons and fashion calendar. Offer promotions for seasonal collections, holiday themed events, or special occasions. Seasonal promotions create a sense of urgency and capitalize on specific buying trends. There you have it, fashion mavens. There are the effective marketing strategies that can turn your fashion business into a sensation. From social media advertising to influencer collaborations, email marketing, visual merchandising, and collaborative events. Each strategy has its unique magic. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more fashion wisdom and let me know in the comments which marketing strategy you're excited to try. Until our next rendezvous, stay fashionable, stay savvy, and keep slaying the marketing game. This is your Vandana Evanna and signing off from this channel. See you in the next episode. Please do connect with me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok for more fashion adventures. Remember, your designs deserve the spotlight, and with the right marketing, they are bound to shine. Keep rocking those fashion dreams. Bye.